You guys loved our Amazon and monoprice PC build so much that we couldn't resist the urge to do it again, but with a sketchier twist. So strap on, guys, because I can pretty much guarantee that this is not gonna go according to plan. Speaking of unplanned, I should have planned a better segue to our sponsor, Glasswire. With Glasswire, you can monitor the apps on your PC to see if any of them are suspicious or behaving badly. Check it out at the link below and use offer code Linus to get 25% off Glasswire.